Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a update on one little problem that has popped up with the upgrade to the May 2019 update, or version 1903 of Windows 10. So if you are using a older computer that has a Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver, it's important to update that driver to the latest version. A bug in the old version, or a incompatibility with the old version, means that if you are using one of those drivers, if you don't see the May 2019 update appear on your machine, this could be the reason. Also, some people report that they have seen it, but when they try to install it, it says that there's a problem with one of the drivers on the machine. So if that's the case, I'll post the link to this page in the description below the video. This is where you download the latest version of the driver. It's very important that you update, and it also updates system acceleration with Intel Optane memories and stuff like that. So basically everything that has to do with storage on older machines. This affects mostly older machines. So you need to update manually. There's no automatic process in it. So if you are stuck with this, or if you're stuck not updating and you're wondering why, well, this is maybe one of the reasons. So you need to check if you've got the Intel Rapid Storage Technology in your machine. Usually you see it in the software. So if you look at in the control panel and programs and features, you should see something called Intel Rapid Storage Technology installed. If you see that, that means that you probably need this driver update, because it won't actually work with 1903. So this is where you get the latest versions for different versions of Windows 10, 32-bit, 64-bit versions. And why not update all of that even if you're not on Windows 10? There's updates here. These typically will often have updates for not only security, but often also will have better, or often improve the performance of all of these devices also at the same time. So the link to this download is in the description below the video. Just click on it to download this driver. If it's preventing you from actually moving on to Windows 10 May 2019 update, and even if you're not, or if that's not the intention you have, why not check out the latest drivers? They actually might help in performance. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.